Hello everyone. Today shall discuss exercise that is chapter 14 that is about symmetry. Here you see, this is an introduction of symmetry. Symmetry is an important geometrical concept commonly exhibited in nature and is used almost in every field of activity. Artists, professionals, designers of clothing or jewelry, car manufacturers, architects and many others make use of the idea of symmetry. The beehives, the flowers, the tree leaves, religious symbols, rugs, and handkerchiefs. Everywhere you find symmetrical designs. Here you see, this is architecture, this is symmetrical. This is also engineering, this is also symmetrical. Nature, this is also symmetrical, right? You have already had a feel of line of symmetry in your previous class. A figure has a line of symmetry. Line symmetry, if there is a line about which the figure may be folded so that the two parts of the figure will coincide. You might like to recall these ideas. Here are some activities to help you. Compose a picture album showing symmetry. This is a symmetrical picture. Create some colorful ink dot devils. Ink dot devils are also symmetrical. Make some symmetrical paper cut design. These are also symmetrical. Enjoy identifying lines, also called axes of symmetry in the design you collect. Let us now strengthen our ideas on symmetry further. Study the following figures in which the lines of symmetry are marked with dotted lines. Here you see, this is the line of symmetry. This is the line of symmetry. This is the line of symmetry, and this is the line of symmetry. Line of symmetry for regular polygons. You know that a polygon is a closed figure made of several line segments. The polygon made up of the least number of line segments is the triangle. Can there be a polygon that you can draw with still fewer line segments? No, we cannot. Think about it. A polygon is said to be regular if all its sides are of equal length and all its angles are of equal measure. Thus, an equilateral triangle is a regular polygon of 3 sides. Can you name the regular polygon of 4 sides? An equilateral triangle is regular because each of its sides has same length and each of its angle measure of 60 degree. Here you see all the sides are A and angle is 60 degree. A square is also a regular because all its sides are of equal length and each of its angles is a right angle. Its diagonals are seen to be perpendicular bisectors of one another, right? Now this one, if a pentagon is regular, naturally its sides should have equal length. We later on learned that the measure of each of its angle is 180 degree. So you see, these are all 180 degree in pentagon, right? A regular hexagon has all its sides equal and each of its angle measures 120 degree. You will learn more of these figures later on. Here you see, this also all the angles are 120 degree and all the sides are also same, right? In pentagon also that all the sides are same and this angle is 180 degree. The regular polygons are symmetrical figures and hence their lines of symmetry are quite interesting. Each regular polygon has as many lines of symmetry as it has sides. We say they have multiple lines of symmetry. Here you see this is a triangle. There are 3 sides and there are 3 lines of symmetry in equilateral triangle. In square you see there are 4 sides and how many lines of symmetry? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 lines of symmetry. In pentagon also you say how many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A line of symmetry is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines of symmetry. 6 lines of symmetry. Here you see a regular hexagon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 lines of 6 sides are there. Therefore, the line of symmetry is 6. Perhaps you might like to investigate this by paper folding. Go ahead. The concept of line symmetry is closely related to mirror reflection. A shape has line symmetry when one half of it is the mirror image of the other half. A mirror line thus helps to visualize a line of symmetry like this. Is the dotted line mirror line? No, this is not the mirror line. Is the dotted line mirror line? Yes, this is a mirror line. Now here you see that while dealing with mirror reflection, care is needed to note down left or right changes in the orientation as seen in the figure here. Right? The shape is same but the other way around. Play this punching game. Fold a sheet into two halves. Punch a hole, right? Two holes about the symmetric fold. The fold is a line. The fold is a line or axis of symmetry. A study about punches at different locations on the folded paper and the corresponding lines of symmetry, right? You can find these as symmetrical figures, right? Now we will deal with the various exercises. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.